What's up guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Remember, cost of admission is 1 thumbs up. Make sure to click that button. And for those of you that are new here, first time watching, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the bell so you don't miss out on anything we're doing. And thank you for coming. For everybody else, welcome back. Check this out.
Yeah, I'm about to make him disappear. I don't wanna see no tears. This is only the beginning. Losing is my only fear. Take some time away from my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say it loud and clear. Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. 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 Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. Took some time away from all my peers. Started working hard for my career. Now it's safe to say it loud and clear. Yeah, I'm the rookie of the year. Time is money, like I got a rollie on me, so I gotta make it count. Some homies switched up on me, that don't matter to me, I'm just trying to make it out. Coming straight up out the ground, tell them I don't play around. They claiming that they got the loud, but I don't hear them, they ain't making a sound. I'm about to hit them where it hurts. I promise this could have been worse. I put God over everything, in other words, he's always first. I regret things I did in the past, plotting on a better move than my last. Give me a mic and you know I'm as fast as a team effort, I'm like running.